everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper ninja star. So in this one that you will need origami paper. They're like squares, and if you got some, fold it in half and then do it again. And then fold this part up and this part down. And then get another piece of paper. Do the same thing. So fold it in half. Fold it in half again. But this time, don't make it like this. Make the bottom side be upwards, so it's like this. So they're basically the opposite. And the other side downward. And then you flip over it. And then you do this. So you make sure it doesn't have to be like pointy at the top. It can be not pointy if you can't make it pointy. And anyway, they do and flip over the page. When you flip over, do the same thing with this one. And then, with one of these, you fold it in like this. Do the same thing on the other side. And then you flip it over. So, you see it's like this. And put this here.